Hi, welcome back to my channel Tech View. I hope you are doing well. Today I will introduce about Boardmix. It is a modern, all-in-one online collaboration platform designed to bring teams together in a single creative workspace. It enhances productivity, improves visual communication, and helps teams convert ideas into structured, actionable plans. With its clean interface, infinite digital canvas, and intelligent collaboration tools, Boardmix empowers individuals, educators, creators, and organizations to work more efficiently and visually. The platform is crafted for people who think through visuals, whether it's brainstorming new concepts, mapping out workflows, planning projects, or organizing educational content. Boardmix provides a highly intuitive environment where even complex information can be broken down, illustrated, and shared effortlessly. Equipped with a wide range of tools such as sticky notes, mind mapping elements, flowcharts, diagrams, connectors, and drag-and-drop components, Boardmix enables users to present ideas in a clear and engaging way. Its extensive template library saves time and ensures that planning, teaching, and project discussions start with a strong visual foundation. Let's start the video. After login, this interface will appear in front of you. You can see many options such as Whiteboard. This gives you a clean, flexible space to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas with ease. Mind map. This helps you organize ideas visually, making complex topics easier to understand and present. Flowchart. This tool lets you map processes clearly, making steps easy to follow and workflows simple to design. Presentation. This tool instantly turns your content into clean, professional slides ready to share. Focus on Whiteboard. Let me start with Microsoft Whiteboard to give you more details. Microsoft Whiteboard is a digital canvas for real-time collaboration, letting users brainstorm, draw, and organize ideas visually. Now, moving on, Boardmix Whiteboard provided calibration. As you can see, many options available, you can use them, or you can select wide-range templates. Now open the Mind Map. When we open Mind App, you will see a wide range of templates available. From these, we will select the Team Meeting option. You will notice several choices, and once we select this one, the frames will open. The tool uses this structure to create a clear meeting environment. Now, I will select a sticky note. Now we click on another feature of the whiteboard, such as Mind Map. Simply write your topic, for example, importance of a healthy diet. After that, click on Continue to generate mind map. It will create your mind map within seconds, as you can see. You can also change the layers of the mind map according to what suits you best. There are many more options available. You can select any of them as needed. Now open the presentation. Here you will see many options: generate outline with AI, generate directly with AI, paste text, document conversation. When you open generate directly with AI, you will see many options. Now we select the table for team management tools so that we can turn this into a project planning and strategy session. Once you have selected the table, you will see various options available on it. If you don't need it, you can also delete it. Now, when you open the flowchart section, you will find different flowchart shapes, and you can select any of them and draw it. You will also see several options for customization there as well. Next, you can choose themes, and you can explore the many templates available. You can select any template that suits your needs. Boardmix offers a wide range of powerful benefits that make collaboration, planning, and idea sharing more efficient and engaging. One of its biggest advantages is real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work together on the same digital board from different locations. This makes it ideal for remote teams, online classes, and group projects. Every change, comment, or edit appears instantly, ensuring smooth communication and a shared understanding among team members. Another major benefit is its visual approach to planning. Boardmix provides tools like mind maps, flowcharts, sticky notes, shapes, diagrams, and connectors that help users break down complex ideas into clear, organized visuals. If you want to watch more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel.